everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Lori. Welcome to my channel and my life today. So today, guys, I have
distance view.
Not my magnifier's talking to me. I have the Look Fantastic box, and we are going to open it. It is for April. Okay guys, this is the April Look Fantastic box. I'm not a big fan of their packaging lately, but there's what it looks like in there. So normally Look Fantastic, I think it's a sister company to Glossy Box, but it's out of the UK. You usually get 5 items. Something's leaking. Not 100% sure. Okay, so I did find the QR code for the items and the book, so that's awesome. I need that. Okay, it says this box is worth 32 euros because this comes out of England. So I don't think I have my Alexa in here. So we're gonna go off of euros. So I don't have my Alexa in here today, so I can't tell you what the actual American price is, but I can tell you in euros. Okay, so we're going to go to our first item. So number 1 says Ciate Velvet Lip Liner. It is 18 euros. Let's see if it has a color. It is vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free, cruelty-free. Let's look at it real quick. I'm thinking it's gotta be this one here. Okay, so you should be able to see that color of the tip there. That would be the color for the item. Okay, so that's item number 1. Let me see if it says the color on here at all. Velvet Lip Liner in Cocoa, number 512. So super pretty. I definitely don't want to swatch it, as you know, because if you swatch it, you have to keep it, and I don't know if I'm going to be keeping it yet. This is number 2. Actually, it would go this way. Already says probiotic super dose face mask, micro biome technology, nourishing. Okay, it's from Coors. It is Greek yogurt probiotic mask. It is a 20 ml, which is 8 euros. Light work cleanser. Oh, it's a cleansing oil. Okay. Okay, it's cruelty free. It is vegan and has a Cosmos Natural certification, which means that 98% of the ingredients used are from natural origin, okay, without using endangered plants. Okay, so this is a cleanser. Let me see if it gives me a price. Even though I'm giving it to you in euros, don't see it. You know, usually you hear me go, Alexa, how many dollars is 13 euro? and she'll speak, but we put that in our granddaughter's room last night, or the night before, to help them to sleep, like by the lullabies type of sleep. Let me see if this tells me anything else, because I don't see. There it is, 10 euros. So there is that one. Okay, the next one is this right here. Just can't figure out which one's leaking. Okay, it is a repair game changer hair mask. It says smooths and hydrates hair. Okay, so it's 1 fluid ounce. If it gives me any other information. It says we are Paradox Game Changer Hair Mask. Euros is 10.5 euros. And 30 mLs would be the size for the full size. This does say it is vegan, sustainable, says Irish roots, biotech, all on here. So it's a hair mask, which we can always use. Okay. And then I think I have one more item, or I might have 2 items. Let me figure this out, right? The one I got is called Mio. It is the Clay Away Body Cleanser. Ooh. It says gel. It's like a body mask, like a exfoliating is what I'm thinking. What's funny is, oh, okay, so they have a lot of products, but you don't get everything. You get 6 out of.
Locate on.
Okay, so that's 3 euros, and it is a deluxe sample, and it's a body wash. I'm gonna see if I can smell anything. Smells good. I can't tell what the scent is, but it smells good. So that's a body wash. And I have a mask, which I'm always happy to get. It is, let's see, incredible. It says, show me the bunny. It is oil balancing sheet mask. For oily and combination skin. Mine is dry. Okay, so looking forward to trying this or giving it to somebody who has more of the oily skin than I do. So that was everything, guys, in my box. It was $16. So I got the sheet mask. I got a hair mask. See what this one was. Well, this is the cleansing oil. This was the lip liner. This was the, I think it's the body. Let me look real quick again. Oh, nope. It is a Game Changer hair mask. And then we have the probiotic superfood face mask. So $16, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, seeing what I got in my April look fantastic. I'm actually leaning towards canceling Look Fantastic because Glossy Box is pretty much the same thing. Yeah, it is a little bit higher, a few dollars higher, but I actually like the items I get more in there than I do in the Look Fantastic box. So I may keep it for a month or two, but I'm probably going to go ahead and cancel that one out for now. You know how it goes. You get them for a while and then you cancel them, and you know, when you see something really good, you want to get it. So we'll see what happens with it. But that's it for my Look Fantastic for today, which is April. I hope you guys are having a great day. Make sure you are subscribed, please. Head in towards that 700 subscriber. Keep an eye out for my 600 subscriber giveaway and make sure you enter. Okay, guys, I love you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.